Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is translate the phrase, do not pass go. It's going to be a simple translation where instead of a being equal to 1, we'll start at 0. So a is 0, b is 1, and we'll continue that down to z being equal to 25. Okay, so if we do that, then each of these letters will correspond to D will be 3, O will be 14, N will be 13, O is 14 again, T is 19. Okay, then we'll get 15 for P, 0 for A, and 18 for S. And then G is going to be 6, and O is 14 again. So this is what we're going to be using in the moduli that were given for parts A, B, and C. Okay, so part A wants us to translate this to be P plus 3 mod 26. So when we do that, we add 3 to each of the values in the red box, essentially, and take it mod 26. But since it's mod 26, that's the whole thing, we're really just adding 3 to each one. Right, so then what's in red is going to change to, so this is for part A, 6, 17, 16, 17, 22, 18, 3, 21, 21, 9, and 17. And now, of course, if we had had any of the letters in the end of the alphabet, then we would have used the modulus 26 to reduce them down to 1, 2, or 3, but that was not the case here. And so then we need to translate this back using the alphabet index. And when we do that, we'll get that 6 is G, 17 is R, 16 is going to be Q, 17 is R, 22 is W, 18 is S, 3 is D, 21 is V, 9 is J, and 17 is R. Okay, so this ends up being our cipher. So now we'll do the same thing for these other parts with less famous ciphers. So again, our do not pass go was initially translated into 3, 14, 13, 14, 19, 15, 0, 18, 18, and 6, 14. Because this time we want to take it plus 13 mod 26, right? So here we're going to add 13 to each number and then take it mod 26. And once we do that, so 3 plus 13 would give us 16. 14 plus 13 is going to be 27, but mod 26 is in fact 1. 13 plus 13, 26 mod 26 is 0, right? So that's the process. Keep going. We get 0, 1, 6, 2, 13, 5, 5, and 19, and 1. Okay, and then we translate this back using the alphabet, and when we do that, it's going to end up as Q, B, A, B, G, C, N, F, F, T, and B. Okay, so lastly, part C, same process. We'll be starting with 3, 14, 13, 14, 19, 15, 0, 18, 18, and 6, 14. So we're going to translate this one with 3 times the value plus 7 mod 26. So you can see these can really be quite complex in here. Complicated expressions make them harder to solve. So in this case, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 7 would be 16, right? So then our first one is going to be 16. Then we'll get 23, 20, 23, 12, 0, 7, 9, 9, and 25, 23. Okay, so we translate this with our alphabet. So we get QX, UXM, AHJJ, and ZX.